Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create a video of yourself with freckles on your face. So if you want to see how you look like with freckles on your face, then let me show you how to create this video. So to create this video trend, you'll need TikTok and you'll need an app called CapCut. CapCut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store or your App Store, so go ahead and download it. Now once you've downloaded that, go back to your TikTok app. In the TikTok app, you're searching for Test the Simple Dad. Go ahead and visit that profile page. Now stay till the end of this video as you'll see that filter appear right here, the Freckles Filter. For now, I'll go ahead and use it for my favorites. So this is the type of video which we're going to create. Go ahead and tap on CapCut, try this template. Go ahead and tap on Use Template in CapCut. We'll go ahead and tap on Use AI Template. And now we want to go ahead and add a picture of yourself where you want to add freckles and see how you would look like in freckles. So now let CapCut apply the AI effect on it. So just give it some time. Once the effect has been applied, press play and you'll see yourself with freckles on your face. Now once you're happy, tap export here at the top right, then tap on save and share to TikTok. This will now take you into TikTok. The sound will be added automatically. Tap next. Now here you can go ahead and add your captions and change the cover photo. And once you're happy, tap post to post that video. And now for those of you who are trying to find this filter, go ahead and visit this profile, Test the Simple Dad on TikTok. And here you'll see that Freckles filter, which is right here. Tap on it and then go ahead and tap on CapCut, try this template to use that filter. So there you go guys. That is how to use the Freckles AI filter on TikTok.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.